Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your Instagram followers list or following list. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, I will give you an example. Here I have Instagram open, so I'm going to tap on, for example, the Swoon Netflix. And then I can see followers and then following. At the top, I can tap up following and see everybody that the Swoon Netflix is following. So that's all public, and I'm able to see that partially because I follow the Swoon Netflix. If you go to my profile here, you can also click on following and followers and see everybody that I'm following and who's following me. So the thing with Instagram is it's kind of default that you can see who's following them and their following list. If you are following them and if you have access to their profile. So really the only way to limit people from seeing your followers list is to go into your profile, tap on the little three lines at the top right, then go to the settings here, and then from there you will want to go into privacy. Right here you'll see account privacy, and you can turn that on and basically turn your account to be private. And what this means is nobody can see your followers list unless they follow you. So one of the key things with this is if there's something specific that you don't want to able to see who's you're following, then you have to turn that on. But also you have to either restrict or remove them from following you in the first place. So first you can go back and you can go to restricted accounts, and here you can restrict an account. You can just hit continue and restrict an account, or you can just say go to try to find somebody who might follow me back. These are just fun account, so you can go through here and date and say on this person. You can go from following, you can say restrict here or unfollow, and if you restrict or unfollow this person, then since you now have a private account, they won't able to see your followers list. But ultimately, there's no way for you to have a public account and prevent somebody from seeing your following list, and that's just a default into Instagram. So there's no way around, but hope this helps. Leave any questions in these comments below, and make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thanks.